So, you're looking for a way to reset your Bush Smart TV here to its factory settings. Well, there are a few things that you need to do. So, first is you want to turn on your TV and access the menu. So, use your remote if you have it, or the joystick button on the TV itself, then navigate into the settings section. Now, you want to go to the reset option. Depending on your model, this will be listed under System, Installation, or under Device Preferences. They all lead to the same reset controls. Now, you want to select Factory Reset here. Now, sometimes it may appear as the first time install or reset TV to default settings. So all of these mean that the TV will be wiped back to original state. Now, most push TVs use a default code like 000 or 1234 unless you've changed it. So enter the correct pin which lets you continue. Now, once you approve the reset, the TV will automatically restart. During this process, all apps, accounts, and custom settings will be erased. Now, when the TV reboots, it will load the first time setup screen and where you'll choose language, connection to your Wi-Fi, and scan channels just like when it was brand new. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.